Ash with Mosko Moto, and I'm just going to show you a few things about our backcountry 40 duffel and our backcountry 35-liter panniers. So this duffel here is meant to be mounted to a rear pannier rack, a rear tail rack on the bike. It has a beaver tail stash spot that's expandable. If you get hot in the middle of the day, you want to put your riding jacket or ret wing fly, something like that, on the back. It's easy to do there. It opens from both ends, which is pretty unique. Most duffels are top opening duffels, and this one actually opens from both sides. So when it's strapped down to the bike, you can still access all of the contents inside the bag by opening up the side of the duffel, just like this. Gives you really easy access to all of your stuff, even when it's strapped down. And with the panniers, so we just did a complete redesign on these backcountry panniers. They come in a 35-liter and a 25-liter version. The panniers are a quick on-off disconnect system. There's a rotary latch on the back, so when you twist that, you just lift it right off, and there you go. The pannier is really a perfect marriage between a hard case and a soft bag. You have a lot of rigidity with an internal frame and an external frame that dovetails right on to the wedge mount system. Gives you a nice satisfying thunk. Turn the rotary latch and it's locked back on. We achieve our waterproofing on these bags with a double bag system. So they operate as one single bag, but if you look closely, there's actually two separate bags. This outer bag is really abrasion resistant. It's super tough. It'll stand up to campfire sparks, crashes, all of that stuff, and it protects your inner dry bag, which is welded seams, no sewn seams on this bag. On the outside here, we have about 6 layers of crash protection in your high abrasion zone. We have a Hypalon panel here on top of ballistic nylon with an EVA foam pad in between, PVC, a polyethylene stiffener, and then we have compression straps all around the sides and the bottom. So this is another what we call beaver tail, an expandable stash spot, so you can stuff things down in here, your camp shoes, a wet rain fly. We have a tool holster here for putting an axe, any sort of camp tool that you'd like to mount, pocket knife, things like that. A stash pocket here for locking cable, and then a nice locking bar on top for security purposes. Yeah, so that's our V2. We do have the option to add auxiliary pockets on the back for carrying extra fuel or water. There's a little neoprene sleeve here for quick exit of having water on tap, and it's all customizable. You can check it out at moskomoto.com.
What's that again?
Mosko Moto, MOTO.com.
Thank you.